Hello, and welcome back to our daily English talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
If you're new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Roy. Didn't you know? This is a place to practice listening and speaking with simple, real English.
Please help us by liking this video and subscribing. It means a lot to us.
Emma, I feel very relaxed today.
Me too, Roy. I feel calm and comfortable.
I think it is a good day to talk slowly together.
Yes, let's take our time and enjoy this talk.
Emma, do you smell something nice right now?
Yes, I do. It smells warm and sweet.
It makes me feel happy inside.
It feels like a cozy morning.
Today, let's imagine we are at a bakery.
Oh, I like that place.
A bakery feels friendly and warm.
Yes, and people usually smile there.
I like to go to a bakery in the morning.
Me too. The morning feels special.
The bread is fresh and warm.
And the shop feels quiet and peaceful.
Emma, do you see when you walk into a bakery?
I see bread on the shelves. I see cakes behind the glass. I also see people waiting and looking around.
I imagine wooden shelves and soft lights.
Yes, the lights feel gentle on the eyes.
It feels like a safe place.
A place where you can slow down.
Emma, do you like sweet bread or plain bread?
I like sweet bread, but not too sweet. Maybe with a little cream?
That sounds very nice. I like plain bread with butter.
That is simple and good.
Simple food can make us happy.
Yes, simple things feel warm.
Emma, imagine we are standing outside the bakery now.
Okay, I imagine the door is glass. I can see inside a little.
I feel ready to go in. I open the door slowly.
I hear a soft bell sound.
The air feels warm.
And the smell feels stronger.
How does that smell make you feel?
It makes me feel relaxed. It feels like home.
I feel the same way. Inside the bakery, I see many choices.
Yes, sometimes it is hard to choose.
I want everything.
Me too, every time.
I walk closer to the bread shelf.
What do you see there?
I see long bread and round bread. Some bread looks very soft.
I look at the cake counter. I see small cakes and big cakes. Some have fruit on top.
Do you like to look first or choose fast?
I like to look first. I take my time.
That feels nice and calm. The bakery is not noisy.
Yes, people speak softly.
It feels respectful.
I like places like that.
I see a baker behind the counter.
The baker is busy but smiling.
That smile feels welcoming.
It makes me feel comfortable to order.
Before we speak, we wait our turn.
Yes, we stand in line.
Waiting feels easy here.
Because the place feels calm.
While waiting, I look around again.
Me too. I enjoy that time.
I read small signs on the shelf.
I look at prices quietly.
I feel no rush.
Yes, no pressure.
That helps me feel confident.
Even speaking English feels easier.
Emma, do you feel nervous ordering food?
To me, sometimes yes. To me, sometimes yes. But in a bakery, I feel okay.
That is good to hear. A friendly place helps us speak.
Yes, friendly places give us courage.
Even simple words feel enough.
That is very important for learners.
Now it is almost our turn.
Yes, I feel ready.
We can speak slowly.
And we can smile.
In the next part, we will order bread.
Yes, we will talk to the baker.
We will keep it simple and calm.
I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you for staying with us.
Please relax and enjoy listening.
You are doing very well.
Let's continue together in the next part.
Okay, Emma. Now it is our turn at the counter.
Yes, I feel ready to speak.
We can take a deep breath.
Yes, slow and calm.
I look at the baker and smile.
The baker looks back and smiles too.
That makes it easier to talk.
A smile helps so much.
I say hello in a soft voice.
I stand next to you and listen.
My heart feels a little fast.
That is okay, Roy.
I look again at the bread.
There are many choices.
I point to one loaf.
Pointing is helpful.
I say, I would like this bread.
Your voice sounds clear.
I feel proud of myself.
You should feel proud.
The baker asks a question.
Yes, the baker speaks slowly.
I listen carefully.
Listening is important.
The baker asks how many.
That is a common question.
I answer with a number.
Very good.
I say, just one, please.
Simple and clear.
Simple words work well.
Yes, they really do.
Now it is your turn, Emma.
Okay, I feel ready. I step closer to the counter.
Take your time.
I look at the cakes again. They all look very good.
It is hard to choose.
Yes, very hard. I point to a small cake. I say, I would like this one.
That sounds perfect.
My voice feels steady.
Does the baker understand you?
Yes, the baker nods. That feels good.
Being understood feels great.
The baker asks another question.
What does the baker ask?
The baker asks if it is for here or to go.
That is a common question too.
I pause for a moment. I think about my answer.
It is okay to pause.
Yes, pausing helps me think. I say, to go, please.
Nice and clear.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence grows little by little. Now the baker tells us the price.
I listen carefully again.
Numbers can be tricky.
Yes, sometimes they are.
I hear the total price. I understand it.
That is great.
I feel relieved.
You reach for your wallet.
Yes, I prepare to pay. My hands are a little slow.
No rush at all.
I give the money to the baker.
The baker takes it kindly.
The moment feels normal.
That is a good feeling. The baker gives us the bread and cake.
They put everything in a bag.
The bag feels warm.
I can feel the bread inside. The baker says thank you.
I say thank you, too.
Polite words are important.
Yes, they make things smooth.
We step away from the counter.
I feel relaxed now.
My nervous feeling is gone.
You did very well.
Ordering was not so hard.
Yes, it was quite easy.
A calm place helps a lot.
And speaking slowly helps too.
Let's find a small table.
Yes, I see one by the window.
That looks nice.
Let's sit there.
In the next part, we can talk and eat.
Yes, I'm looking forward to that.
We will share our feelings.
And enjoy the moment together.
Now we are sitting at the small table by the window.
Yes, the light feels soft here.
I like sitting near the window.
Me too. It feels peaceful.
I put the bag on the table slowly.
Can you feel the warmth?
Yes, the bread is still warm.
That makes me happy.
I open the bag carefully.
I watch with interest.
The smell comes out again.
It smells so nice.
Do you like the smell, Emma?
Yes, I really like it. It makes me feel calm.
Calm is a good feeling. I take the bread out of the bag.
I take a bite of the cake.
It looks soft and fresh.
I break a small piece.
I can hear the sound. Do you hear that soft sound?
Yes, it sounds perfect.
Small sounds feel nice here.
Everything feels slow.
I take a small bite.
Can you feel the warmth?
It tastes warm and simple.
Simple tastes are the best. I open my cake box slowly.
I want to see it.
The cake looks very cute.
Cute food makes me smile.
I cut a small piece.
You are careful.
I do not want to rush.
There is no need to rush.
I take a bite of the cake.
How is it?
It is sweet but soft.
That sounds lovely. While eating, I feel relaxed.
Me too. My shoulders feel light.
This place helps us slow down.
Yes, it really does.
Emma, do you like eating alone or together?
I like eating together. It feels warmer.
I feel the same way. Sharing food feels special.
Even simple food.
Especially simple food.
Yes, you are right.
Do you come to bakeries often?
Not every day, but sometimes. When I want quiet time.
That makes sense. I also come when I need calm.
A bakery is a safe place.
It feels welcoming.
Even for shy people.
Do you feel shy speaking English sometimes?
Yes, I do. Especially in new places.
That is very normal. Many people feel that way.
That makes me feel better.
You are not alone.
Thank you for saying that.
Today, you spoke very well.
Thank you, Roy. I felt nervous at first.
But you did it. Each small success matters.
Yes, even small ones.
They build confidence.
Slowly, step by step.
Do you remember your first time ordering food?
Yes, I remember it clearly. My voice was very quiet.
I remember mine too. I was very nervous.
Me too.
My hands were shaking.
That happens to many people.
But now it feels easier.
Yes, practice helps.
Friendly places help too.
Like this bakery.
What do you tell yourself when you feel nervous?
I tell myself to breathe. I tell myself to speak slowly.
That is good advice. I tell myself that mistakes are okay.
That helps me too.
No one is perfect.
We are learning.
I look around the bakery again.
Other people are eating quietly.
Some people are talking softly.
The mood feels kind.
Do you hear the soft sounds around us?
Yes, cups and plates. And quiet voices.
It feels comforting. This moment feels peaceful.
I want to remember it.
Me too.
Moments like this matter.
We finish our food slowly.
I take my last bite.
I feel satisfied.
Me too.
Are you ready to leave soon?
Yes, but no rush.
We can sit a bit longer.
I like that idea.
In the next part, we will get ready to go.
Yes, and say goodbye to the bakery.
We are still sitting quietly for a moment.
Yes, I like taking a little more time.
There is no need to hurry.
The bakery feels peaceful.
I look at the empty plates on the table.
We enjoyed everything.
That feels nice.
Simple food can bring a lot of comfort.
I wipe my hands slowly.
I put my napkin away.
Small actions feel calm here.
Yes, everything feels gentle.
Emma, how do you feel right now?
I feel relaxed and proud, proud that we spoke English.
That is a great feeling. You should feel proud of yourself.
Thank you, Roy.
Speaking in real places builds confidence.
Yes, little by little.
I stand up slowly from the chair.
I stand up too.
I feel comfortable in my body.
Me too. Very comfortable.
I pick up the empty bag.
It feels light now.
But the memory feels full.
That is a nice way to say it.
Let's walk to the counter again.
Yes, to say goodbye.
I like saying goodbye politely.
It feels respectful.
We walk slowly across the bakery.
The floor makes a soft sound.
Other people are still enjoying their food.
The mood is calm.
I look at the shelves one last time.
The bread still looks beautiful.
Maybe next time we try something new.
Yes, that sounds fun.
I see the baker again.
The baker looks up and smiles.
That smile feels friendly.
It feels welcoming.
I say thank you again.
I say thank you too.
My voice feels natural now.
Mine does too.
The baker says goodbye.
The voice sounds kind.
Kind voices help us feel safe.
Yes, very safe.
We walk toward the door together.
The bell is above the door.
I reach for the handle.
I feel ready to leave.
I open the door slowly.
The bell makes a soft sound.
The outside air feels different.
A little cooler.
We step outside the bakery.
The street is calm.
I turn back for a moment.
Me too.
I feel thankful for this moment.
Yes, it was a good time.
Simple and warm.
Just right.
How do you feel about your English now?
I feel more confident. I feel more confident. Not perfect, but better.
Better is great. Confidence grows with practice.
And with kind experiences.
Like today at the bakery.
Yes, exactly.
Even small conversations matter.
Saying hello and thank you matters.
Ordering food matters.
All of it matters.
You do not need big words.
Simple words are enough.
Slow speech is okay.
Pauses are okay too.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Everyone makes them.
Even native speakers.
That is comforting.
I hope listeners feel encouraged.
Yes, I hope so too.
You are doing your best.
And that is enough.
Maybe tomorrow you visit a bakery.
Or a small shop.
You can try simple English.
One step at a time.
Take a deep breath before you speak.
Smile if you can.
Speak slowly and clearly.
And be kind to yourself.
Emma, I really enjoyed today.
Me too, Roy.
It felt warm and real.
Just like our listeners.
Thank you for walking with us.
Thank you for listening so carefully.
We are happy you are here.
Always.
This moment comes to an end.
But your learning continues.
Keep practicing with kindness.
And keep believing in yourself.
We will see you again soon.
Until next time.
Take care and speak bravely.
Goodbye for now.